Howdy. It's been a while since the SC has been any sort of real topic, but I figured I'd give a little bit of an update. I am stuck at home with COVID, so I can't really do much of anything, so I decided to start tearing into this a little bit, getting a few things done that are going to help once the motor's ready to go in. Most of it being wiring stuff. So I'll give a little bit of update there and see that it's rotting away in the garage currently. This big gaping space. I probably won't cut into it today, but I'm definitely going to be deleting ABS. That hasn't been hooked up for quite a long time. Anyway, cleaning up some stuff, getting rid of some harnesses in here that I do not need. I'm going to be doing away with this coolant temp switch for the fans. I'm going to be just running the ground straight to the ECU and having that control it, just so I can have a little bit more again, control over when it turns on, when it shuts off. I can set everything or change it if need be. I am going to relocate this fender well harness that is known to be ground through whenever you lower these. I'm not that low yet. I don't plan on ever being that low. You can see where I got into it a little bit there already. I'm also going to be relocating the battery to the trunk, and then I'm gonna put like a 4-post bus bar up in here in this area somewhere. We'll see where it ends up. This is all a mess right now just because I had the harness pulled all over here out of the way so it's not dangling. But I do want to get rid of as much stuff out of here as possible that I do not need, now that I have a little bit of time to do so. As for the fueling system, I changed up quite a bit what I plan on doing here. I pulled this all out, I drained the tank. I got rid of the AM 400 inline pump, and I'm actually going to be retrofitting a pump hanger to do an in-tank pump. I'm just kind of tired of trying to figure shit out for an inline system. Plus the inline's loud as hell. There's a couple different companies that make drop-ins for this, so I'm gonna be doing that. Plus I'm also going to be getting rid of the 6AN feed line. I still have to order some 8AN PTFE to make a new feed line. I'm gonna be keeping the 6AN return. That should be plenty for what I need. So as it turns out, the ABS and cruise control system have a shitload of wiring on this car. I got it unpinned out of the fuse box here. A lot of this stuff pulled back. So I ended up knocking out probably half to 3/4 of this entire harness size on this side. Got that all deleted and terminated properly over here. Okay, so kind of skipped a few steps here, but yeah, ignore the rust down in there for now. But got the new power wire sent to the trunk. I just pulled out the power wire for the boom booms that the previous owner had in there, and used that to pull it through. But I ended up going with 0 gauge, and then I just mounted this via some nutserts here, which that makes it super simple. But anyway, I got that pulled. I picked up this billet battery tray specifically for the Optima, but I believe I'm going to try and tonight I'm going to go and make some sort of mount that sets it up off that floor there a little bit. To kind of play with some height, I might want to lift that up a little bit more. But anyway, yeah, so I got these guys routed back here. I'm going to do a 150 amp inline fuse, or breaker, sorry. So yeah.